So what we're looking at is Mark's makeshift stick of a kickstand for the start. Here he goes. Good luck, Ripper. Settle in, baby. All right, I think I got 4th on the start, and I'm back to probably 6th place now. I'm just gonna ease into this, baby. First lap druthers. One thing I've noticed, this thing's got way more power than in my last race, due to the spark arrestor pipe combination I've got on here now. Oh, first bottleneck of the day? Maybe not, no. Couldn't make that. Tried to take the inside line, a little too much. Giddy up. All right, I know I'm holding on to the handlebars way too tight. I can feel it. I can feel it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, yo, yo. Thank you. Oh, pine trees, baby. Oh, this is tight. How many times am I going to say that? Woo, that's tight. Woo! So, I'm curious to see how this microphone setting works on this new Hero 7 Black. I changed it to stereo only because when I left it to auto, it was shifting between the stereo and the wind mic, and it was bugging the shit out of me. And right now I am talking about technology while I'm racing a race. It's not the smartest thing in the world. I need to shut the fuck up, is what I need to do. I'm not afraid of no water. Neither is my back tire. Whoa, 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 whoa. The guy was yelling back at me. He's giving me attitude. I love it. It's like, roll yourself, bitch. All right. The arm pump is setting in now. It didn't take long. Grip the tank with your knees, baby. Thank you. Roots, baby, roots. Back brake is doing some metal scraping. It's always a good sign. The inside line is for the wicked. I can't feel my right hand, and that's not good because that makes it go. right, rest your hands, baby, rest your hands. It's only the first lap. Well, I have to say, there's no bottleneck circumstances on this track. I've been riding by myself pretty much the whole race so far on the first lap. So it's going to be interesting to see if I've got a faster lap time on the second lap, which I traditionally do, but I think it's because of the bottlenecks on the first lap. Not necessarily I'm riding any faster on the second lap, so we shall see. So I'm riding pretty damn slow right now. I'm not setting any speed records, if you will. Overshot the corner. I love it. Everyone's getting froggy on the straights. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, fourth place, Super Senior, lap number 1. I thought I was further back than that. That was a stall. I'm getting tired. Woo! All right, lap 2 is normally where I shine, but I'm worried. Uh-oh, plastic's falling off the bikes. That was a number plate. Front number plate on the deck. I'd rather drop plastic than body parts, so. Ooh, almost didn't stop there. I think my back brake needs to be replaced. I think I'm squeaking on metal. Whoa, that was a jump. Whoa! Donkey punch! I had to look down, it felt like my front tire was flat. Causing me to slow up a little bit, but nothing crazy. Nothing that's gonna cost me the race! That didn't work. I'm just on the edge of too tired to pass this guy. I took the long way. What did I take the long way for? I went through the water crossing last time and it's the shortest way and it's not that bad, and I ended up taking the long way around. That is definitely going to cost me the race. I might as well just stop. Too much jumping. Uh-oh. This bike just wants to pull out from under me. I love it. Too much. It's hard to gain spots on the straight because everybody goes fast here, except for me. There's another veteran sea rider in front of me. Coming in hot, baby, coming in hot. All right, fellas, get up there. If you think you can stay up there, get up there. I'm all for it. All right, most congestion I've seen all day. It's not a bad thing. That made a nice pass right there. Kudos to you, brother. Thank you. He's in my age group right there. Gotta get past the old KTM. All right. I think I might be in third place now. That wood section's pretty slick. What a difference when you can feel your upper body in your arms and your hands. I hate riding someone else's line. I can't see shit. Thank you. Jump for the fun of it. Ooh, I can't squeeze the clutch in very good. All right, picked up a position. Third place, super senior. Last lap. I'm a little parched. Okay, guy, you gotta go a little faster. You can't hold me up in the woods, dude. I know you're fast on the straights, but... Yep. Thank you. It'd be nice to pick up one more spot in the old super senior class. See, you just got to get the fuck out of the way when they come through. I'm starting to get tired again, which is appropriate on the third lap. I've got mud cake on the inside of my mouth. Maybe someday when I get big balls, I'll ride like that. I got little mincy balls is what I got. I got no mojo right now. I'm not going that long way again. Need all the help I can get. Get up on that power. Sean the Ripper did an excellent job of tightening this chain. Oh, hands are tired again. Golly. Comes and goes. I'm always afraid I'm going to take my head off on those low hangers, but it's only because my head is freaking huge. Got a head like a garbage can.